afternoon, everyone. This is Romona coming to you from Social Media How-Tos with Romona. I've been having some issues with Screencastify, and when I say I've been having issues, I've been having major issues, meaning I can record videos using their screencast feature. However, I have been unable to edit a video in their video editor for over a month. And if you're receiving this buffering that you see on my screen in Screencastify's editor, or you're receiving that oops message in the video recorder, I may have a fix for you. So as I've mentioned, it's been months since I've been able to use my Screencastify video editor. I searched the internet, I searched Screencastify's knowledge base articles, I've watched a number of YouTube videos, I've been back and forth with Screencastify support. They gave me so many different troubleshooting tips and advice and things to do. They even had a diagnostic tool, which I ran that didn't work. So what I did was I started setting up demos with other video editing and screen recording services, and I came across one that's called Scenery. So I did a demo with Scenery. Scenery, by the way, was the only one that would give me a demo. Everyone else sent me to video. So I worked with a live person named Liza, who was very helpful in showing me how to use the Scenery video application. When I went to use Scenery, I had an issue with uploading my first video. I wrote to Liza and she said it was very strange, but then she did a little more digging and she sent me a message, and I'm going to show you this message. She said, "Hi Ramona, we figured out the issue with upload. Unfortunately, your computer clock is set incorrectly. Is it possible for you to set your computer clock correctly?" She said usually there is a setting that tells the computer to keep the time up to date, and it said that I had mine turned off. Now, I don't know how Liza knows this, but I will ask her how she found this out. So because I already know how to change my clock settings on my computer, and I had done that probably a couple of months ago, because I just returned from a trip where I was in the Midwest for 4 months. So I knew that I had played with my clock settings. So I'm like, Liza may be onto something. So what I did was I moved my mouse down to my taskbar in the bottom right hand corner of my Windows computer. Right-clicked on the time, clicked on adjust date and time, and then I just went in here. When I came in here after reading Liza's email, this button was off where it says set time automatically. This button was off that said set time zone automatically. And then I also had to turn on adjust for daylight saving time automatically. I turned that on. I made sure my time zone was correct, and then I clicked on sync now because the time was actually incorrect when I came in here. So once I clicked on sync now, it went to my actual Eastern time and the correct date. So when I closed this, I went back to my Screencastify editor, and I played the video and was able to listen to it all the way through, which I had not been able to do in quite some time. Now, I know when I started this video just now, you saw the buffering arrow, but I think it's only because I'm recording at the same time. But I have been able to edit my videos since I changed my clock, and I wanted to share that with you because I did notice when you go into the Google Chrome extensions and look at Screencastify, there are a bunch of people that are having the same issue. So I figured I would make a video to help people out because I mean it was frustrating. Because I've not been able to edit videos in months, my videos are backed up and my clients' videos are backed up. I was able again to record but not edit. So I have a bunch of videos that I've recorded but I haven't been able to edit, and I can't wait to get started. Now before I go, I wanted to say one of the things that Screencastify mentioned to me is that they have a new beta version out that they also asked me to test, and it was worse than what's happening with the other one with all those issues. Because I didn't mention this, I've had other issues with Screencastify prior to my even going to the Midwest and changing my time settings. So I did test out the beta version. That was pretty bad, and I guess it's pretty new, so I can't fault them for that. But I did also want to let you know that the beta version is coming, which means they're doing something new, which may or may not be a good thing. So I wanted to also just tell you about Liza's company, Scenery.video. So if you're looking to check out a new screen recorder and video editor, you may want to check out Scenery. Like I mentioned earlier, they will give you a demo, which I truly appreciate in any company. So give them a look just to check it out, because even though my Screencastify is working, I will definitely check it out. Liza told me I could actually schedule another demo, because I want to just see the features that they have. They have a lot to offer, so much more than Screencastify that I have not been doing, like adding slides and titles that look better than the titles that Screencastify actually offers. And I know Screencastify is a basic tool. I've been using it for years, but I feel like I'm kind of sort of ready to move on. So, and if you are, and this is not a sponsored video in any way, and I'm not an affiliate or anything like that, but I just want to see if I can give this new platform a try, just to see if I can use it for something in my business. Once again, this is Ramona from Social Media How To's with Ramona. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that you will receive notifications each time I post a new video. And with that, I want to say, have an amazing day.